I am the garden chair here with the Central Kitsap Montessori Parents Association, and we fund the garden program out here. I believe the garden was started by Kathy Beckstrom. She's a former Montessori teacher here at the school, and it started with just 1 or 2 garden boxes. And students would come out here and work on, starting a garden from seed to harvest. And that's what we continue to do out here today, except we have 6 garden boxes now, 1 for each class. And they get to grow things at the beginning of the spring and up until the summer. And then when the students come in at the beginning of a new school year, they get to see the garden at its peak and really enjoy the harvest. And then we have to do the work, and close everything down again for the season.
I like going to the garden because when I plant the plants, it makes me feel like I'm having something being born and stuff. It's like when I plant it, I know that it's gonna grow and it'll be living and stuff, and I'm making something live, and it makes me feel happy.
When students come out here, I want them to really connect with their food and to understand that food doesn't just come from the grocery store or out of a bag or out of a box, that it does take some time and some effort. And seeing it grow from seed all the way up to the harvest, students see the whole life cycle of the plant, and they learn from the fact that they were able to do it themselves. And they tend to appreciate their food a little bit more. They might also be more inclined to try some new things and even try vegetable gardening for themselves.
If I'm ran out of energy, stuff happens at school, the garden helps that energy come back.
We use this as an extension of the classroom, and I try to make sure that the students understand there are some rules when we come out here and garden, and that we want to use this as a learning opportunity. But so much about it is also just getting that opportunity for them to learn and explore for themselves and ask the right questions and just find the interest, the spark that drives them to want to learn more.